Natural disasters in the Philippines. The Philippines is prone to natural disasters due to its location. Here are major events from the past 20 years. Typhoon Ondoy caused severe flooding in Metro Manila, leaving many homes submerged and thousands affected.
Ngayon sa may pier ng Tacloban at napakalakas na ng hangin pero hindi pa po tumatama ang sentro ng bagyo dito sa bahagi ng Tacloban.
Typhoon Yolanda was one of the strongest storms recorded, bringing massive storm surges and devastating many areas in Visayas.
Itinaas sa Alert Level 3 ang Bulkang Taal.
Kasunod po yan ng isang phreatic explosion.
Taal volcano erupted, releasing ash that reached nearby provinces, forcing evacuations, affecting air travel.
Tatlong beses na nga naglandfall itong bagyong Ulysses at sa ngayon ay nasa West Philippine Sea. Sa ngayon, signal number
Typhoon Ulysses caused heavy flooding, especially in Luzon, affecting communities already weakened by previous storms.
1990 nang huling gumalaw ang East Bohol Fault sa lakas na magnitude 6.2. Ang paggalaw naman ng fault kahapon katumbas umano ng 32 Hiroshima atomic bomb.
A strong earthquake struck Bohol, damaging infrastructures and historic churches.
Caused by severe tropical storm Paeng has risen to 154, according to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council.
Typhoon Paeng 2022. Typhoon Paeng caused floods and landslides in different regions, affecting thousands
BOFA
of
is
families.
expected to enter PAR early Monday morning and may make landfall in the vicinity of eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao by late Tuesday or Wednesday.
Continuous heavy rains led to severe flooding in Mindanao, causing displacement and damage to communities. These disasters show the importance of preparedness, awareness, and disaster risk reduction.